In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbers in Google Sheets. Now, whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. Adding numbers in Google Sheets can make data management and statistical analyses much easier. Google Sheets is a highly versatile tool, and knowing how to use a few of its basic functions will empower you to take full advantage of this powerful spreadsheet application. To start, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. Simply navigate to Google Sheets within your browser and open a new or existing document. Make sure you have a column or row where your numbers are already inputted or where you plan to input them. If your sheet is already filled with data, you're good to go. Next, choose a specific cell where you'd like your total to appear. This is where the magic begins. Inside this cell, you'll type an equal sign, which is crucial. The equal sign is the cue for Google Sheets that you're about to input a formula. For a basic sum of numbers you wish to add together, you'll type equal and then simply write out the arithmetic you want to perform. If you are adding two numbers directly, type in the first number followed by a plus sign and then the second number. Once you've finished typing out the expression, press the Enter key. Google Sheets will instantly calculate the sum of these two numbers for you. If your data is set up across different cells and you want to add the contents of two particular cells, again start with an equal sign in your chosen cell. You'll enter the formula by typing the equal sign, then click on your first desired cell, type a plus sign, and then click on the second cell you want to add. Press Enter, and there you have it, your calculated total directly displayed. For larger sets of data, using the sum function is highly effective. Type the equal sign followed by sum, then open a parenthesis. Click and drag over the range of cells you wish to sum. Select beginning from the first to the last cell you need added together. This method is particularly useful if you are working with long columns or rows of data. Close the parenthesis and hit Enter. Google Sheets will compute the sum over the selected range of cells, providing you with the total directly in the cell you chose to contain the result. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently add numbers in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in your studies or work projects. Feel free to reach out with any questions or if you're in need of further assistance.